Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Katie Cooks Easy Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how I make my quick and easy jerk style marinade. It's absolutely delicious on chicken, pork, even seafood. You use it however you want, but this is how I make my recipe. Okay, so you're going to get a food processor and then go in with at least one scotch bonnet, seeds and everything. 2 spring onions roughly chopped. Then you want a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste. Of course you can substitute this for fresh. The leaves from 4 thyme sprigs. Then you want 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of allspice, and this is really important that you have this or it just won't taste like authentic jerk. Then you want 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, the juice of half a large orange. We're really starting to build up some flavour now, sweet, sour, spice, it's going to be delicious. The juice of half a lime, we want 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or rapeseed oil, and then of course a real good pinch of salt and pepper. And then once that's done, all that's left to do is pop the lid on and blitz that to as smooth as we can possibly get it, and you're going to have this incredible marinade, and you should be able to pick up the flavours of the scotch bonnet without it blowing your head off. And that's why jerk sauce or marinade is so delicious, because it's laid up of so many different flavours that complement and bring the best out of a scotch bonnet, rather than just a real ferocious heat where you're really struggling to eat your food. My husband would definitely have it with more chilli in it. His level of spice tolerance is definitely higher than mine. But there you go, we've got this really lovely marinade now. So all that's left to do is for you to grab your protein of choice, whether it's pork, chicken, seafood, anything you want really, and just get that poured over. And then, as with all marinades, the longer you leave it on for, the better. I would really hope you can leave it on for like 24 hours overnight, but 4 hours is best. I actually really like to save a couple of tablespoons of the marinade, and I add it to the rice that I serve with this chicken that you'll see at the end. You can find that recipe on my website, katiecooks.co.uk, and it's like a 1-pot jerk chicken and rice, and it's actually incredible. But yeah, get your protein marinated, get your hands in there. Please try and wear gloves, because scotch bonnet under your fingernails is not a very good thing to do, especially if you're going to start touching your face and all sorts. Get that in there, get it marinated, put it in the fridge for as long as you possibly can, up to 24 hours, and then you're set to go. How easy was that? And it really does taste incredible. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can find lots more easy home cooked recipes, and these are both on my website as well, katiecooks.co.uk.